Hi guys, it's Jana Danielson, the creator and super user of the Cooch ball. Thank you so much for landing on this page and for just wanting to learn a little bit more about this little product. What I can tell you about the Cooch ball is that I've been using it with clients and in my own body for the past decade plus. The Cooch ball was really designed to work either in conjunction with your physiotherapist if you're doing pelvic floor physiotherapy, or just as prevention in your own body. If you want to make sure that your hip range of motion stays active, if you want to make sure that your low back stays healthy, your posture stays healthy, or maybe you already are experiencing some of these issues. You sneeze or cough a little bit and wet your pants, or there's pain during intercourse, or just pelvic floor pain. This little ball is actually quite magical. All it takes is 3 minutes a day. You sit on the ball in a position that's most comfortable for you. So it could be on your kitchen chair, sitting on it in between the pubic bones and the anus. It might be cross-legged on the floor. It could be on your couch, so the couch takes a little bit of the brunt of the force of the ball. Once we add diaphragmatic breathing to the equation, it really does become one of your very best tools in your health and wellness toolbox. So all you need to do to find out more is just scroll through our page, the buy now button you will find. This is going to become a very good friend, Cooch ball.